Guitars are made from 8 or 9 different types of wood, and it's the main body that gets built first. The pieces of wood are glued together so that the grains mirror each other and are secured with straps to make sure they stick together properly. Once the glue is set, the shape of the body is cut with a fine saw. The neck of the guitar is made from layers of solid wood with an ebony plate over the top. The basic shape is cut out, and then a drill makes 6 holes where the machine head will go. A row of small circular saws cut grooves into the ebony plate, making slots for the frets, which are the metal inlays that make the guitar able to play various different chords. And finally, it's clamped into a vise, and the edges are smoothed and rounded off. The strips of wood that make up the sides of the guitar are hand-bent using a heated iron at 160 degrees Celsius. It can take an hour and a half to hand-bend one side of a guitar. Once bent, they're clamped into a custom-built mould and left to set. Small pieces of wood are glued to the inside of the guitar. These are called struts, and they add strength so that it can withstand the constant pulling of the strings. A vacuum press sucks all of the air out, and the struts are carved by hand to give the guitar its individual sound. Then they go over to the guitar mould, where the completed body is left to set. The neck of the guitar is carved by hand, and once this is finished, the 2 pieces of the guitar are ready to be glued together. Nickel and silver alloy are used to make the frets, which are hammered into place on the ebony plate. And the guitar gets sanded, and 10 coats of lacquer are applied to give it a beautiful finish. Now all that's left is stringing. Once the bridge is glued on and the machine heads are screwed in, the strings, made of phosphor, bronze and steel, are threaded and tightened. The guitar is ready to go into the recording studio, a gig at the pub, or into the hands of our 2 favourite virtuosos.